Alright, hello and welcome to another video. Today we're just going to be covering the initial startup and very important setup that you have to do on your brand new Nespresso coffee machine. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you're going to do is take a look for your setup sticker. Now I've removed the serial number from mine, but what you're going to want to do is peel off this sticker and put it somewhere on the back of your machine for future reference. Next, you're going to look for any additional pamphlets or stuff that Nespresso seems to like to hide within the various compartments of their machines. You're going to want to take all these out before starting. Next up, you're going to give the water tank a good clean. I've already done this step, and once that's clean, reinstall it, and of course, fill up the water tank. Once the water tank is full, you can proceed to plug in your machine and look for an illuminated light on top indicating that it is ready to do the startup cycle. The next thing you're going to want to do is install the cup holder itself and find a cup or some kind of container that is 12.5 ounces or larger. This is the amount of water that's going to be flushed through the machine during the startup procedure. This cup should be fine. Next, we're going to ensure that the lid is closed and locked. So going from an open position, which is a twist to the left, we're going to push it down and it will lock, and then we will pull it all the way clockwise until you hear a click. Then all you have to do is press the illuminated button 3 times within 2 seconds and it will start the pre-flush of your Nespresso machine. What this is going to do is draw water into the system, heat it all up, get out any plasticky tastes, and then flush the water out into the container you've placed there. So this will take about 5 minutes, and I will see you once this is complete. So, once the light returns to being solid, the process is complete and you are now ready to brew coffee with your new machine. You can dispose of this flush water that you probably don't want to drink and dive into what is likely a sample pack of coffee that has come with your machine. Let's try out a single shot of espresso just to see how this particular machine is working. In order to brew, we're going to take this back from its initial position and open the lid. We are then going to insert our single shot Nespresso capsule, close again, and lock it into position. For a single shot of espresso, we're probably going to move this tray up and we will put in our espresso cup. Then you simply have to press go and you're ready for homemade delicious espresso. So, I hope that this video has been helpful for you guys. I hope this was a quick and easy setup, and I hope you already have some coffee at the ready to make good use of your now fully set up Nespresso pod coffee system. Cheers.